Hi everybody, it's Kimberly with Getaway Today. Thank you so much for finding us here on YouTube. Today I am super excited to introduce you to Wendy. Hello Wendy.
Hi.
She is our contact with the Fullerton Marriott, one of our brand new properties to our program, and we are so excited to work with her. And since they're new, we wanted to share with you 6 things that you need to know about the Fullerton Marriott. So first things first, let's talk about your location. How far are you to Disneyland?
We are a very accessible 15-minute drive from Disneyland, and quite frankly, if you are on our 6th floor, you can see the Disneyland fireworks. So,
what? That is so exciting.
Yeah. It's a very good location for sure, and very accessible both by freeway and also by side streets.
And you were saying a lot of guests at your hotel use Uber.
Yes.
And that's really easy to use.
Yes.
And she has like the best mom hack ever. So you've never done it at Disneyland.
I haven't ever done it at Disneyland, but I did do it at the LA Zoo. And I Ubered with my son's car seat, and we took a bike lock and a trash bag, and we hooked it up to the bike rack and covered it with a trash bag, and we were able to enjoy our day and still take the ride share.
Which I think is genius. I'm always like, we've got to pack the whole car. Well, we have 3 car seats, so I wouldn't want to do like 3 bike locks. But anyway, I thought it was a really good idea.
You would need your whole bike rack for yourself.
Yeah, so it's a quick drive if you want to drive yourself, or Uber, super easy. Okay, so the next thing you need to know about the Fullerton Marriott is a Getaway Today exclusive. And what is that, Wendy?
It is a complete buffet breakfast at the hotel.
Our guests love free breakfast, and yeah, it's not just like cereal and grab a Danish.
No, it is a full, very robust breakfast. You can get your hot items, you can order an omelet, you can get your cereal, or you can have your toast, whatever you prefer.
And most guests have to pay, it's around $16 per person, so you figure if you have a family of 4, that is a huge savings every day of your stay.
100%.
So next, because our guests aren't familiar with your property, even if they had been familiar with your property, it's completely different than it was a few years ago, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Talk about that.
So February 2018, we completed a renovation top to bottom. So public spaces, guest rooms, meeting spaces, all of it is brand new as of February 2018.
Let's also talk about what's in your guest rooms. What can families expect when they stay at your hotel?
There are in-room coffee makers for that 1 cup, and then there are refrigerators, which is one of my favorites.
Yes, it's so necessary when you're traveling with kids.
100%, yeah. Gotta find a place to put that milk.
Yes, and the rooms are just beautiful. As you can see, they have that clean, crisp, spacious look to them. Really a nice place to stay.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. They are very beautiful.
Okay, the next thing that our guests like to know about is the pool. That's a big deal with a vacation. Do you want to tell us a little bit about
Yeah, we have a very
pool?
lushly landscaped pool. We have a whirlpool as well, so you can enjoy that. Adjacent to that is an event lawn, which we also utilize for some fun outdoor activities. Sometimes we do movies out there. We do we can do the Jenga and the cornhole.
So is that available every night or just weekends? How do you do that?
Well, there would be a schedule. So when you check in, there will be a schedule at the front desk of what's happening. But the cornhole and the Jenga are always available in the courtyard, and will be occasionally brought out to the lawn for fun engagement with your family.
That is so fun. I love that. Okay, so the next thing that a lot of our guests ask about, it is becoming more and more common for hotels, specifically around Disneyland, to charge for parking. Mm-hmm. What does your hotel do about parking?
We are offering it complimentary to our Getaway Today guests.
Okay, so finally, we've already talked about your location a little bit, but only in regards to the Disneyland Resort. So because you are a little bit away from the hustle and bustle, you kind of offer that fun place away from all of the craziness, but tell us a little bit about what is around your hotel within walking distance.
Well, first and foremost, I want to give a shout out to our restaurant on property. We rank number 30 in all Marriott full service properties as the best food quality. So number 30 is something to be proud of, and we're super excited about that.
Absolutely.
But within walking distance, we have at least 20 options of varying price ranges. So we have your fine dining within a couple of miles, but there are at least 20 under a half a mile, including an In-N-Out burger, a Habit, a Pizza Press, a Wingstop, and of course you've got Starbucks right across the street, and Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf.
Anything you could need is right there.
Yes, it is. And we're very accessible by freeway as well.
All right, so there you have it. There were 6 things that you need to know about the Fullerton Marriott. And of course, when you book, we hope you book with Getaway today. We always offer you the best rates, the best customer service. We want you to have the best vacation possible, which is why Wendy's here today to make sure that our agents can help you plan that perfect vacation. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more vacation tips, tricks, and hotel reviews like this.
We'll see you soon.